In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to Squarespace website. By the end, your store checkout will include PayPal so customers can pay with their balance, cards stored in PayPal, or pay later where available. Before we dive in, a quick note on requirements. You'll need a Squarespace site with commerce features enabled and a PayPal business account. Personal PayPal accounts can't connect. Also, availability and currencies depend on your country. If you're just starting, keep your PayPal business login handy for the connection window. If you sell subscriptions or donations, PayPal availability can vary by region and product type. Start by opening the Squarespace account dashboard and sign in. On the dashboard, locate your site and click Dashboard if you're not already there, then select Go to Website. This opens your site's admin view so we can change settings tied to checkout. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one before moving on. Inside the Site Manager, open the main navigation and choose Website. Next, go to Settings, then open Website again inside the Settings panel. From here, scroll to the Commerce settings and click Selling. In Selling, choose Payments. This is the hub where you enable and manage payment processors. Nothing changes for your customers until a processor is connected and turned on, so it's safe to explore here. Click Add Ways to receive payments. Squarespace will remind you that once a processor is connected, customers can check out. Click Connect a payment processor, and when asked to pick a channel, choose Online. Online covers your website checkout, as opposed to in-person or point-of-sale options. You'll now see the available processors. Stripe is there for card payments and digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, depending on your region. For this tutorial, we're focusing on PayPal, so click PayPal to open its connection details. This prepares the link between your store and your PayPal business account. Click Connect. A secure PayPal window will open. Log into your PayPal business account, then follow the prompts to grant Squarespace permission to accept payments on your behalf. If your PayPal has multiple businesses or currencies, pick the business profile you want tied to this site and confirm your default currency matches your store's currency in Squarespace. After authorizing, you'll be returned to Squarespace and the PayPal status should show as connected. In many regions, this enables standard PayPal, PayPal Pay Later, and Venmo where supported. Transaction fees are set by PayPal, and payout timing is controlled in your PayPal account. If the Connect button is unavailable, make sure your site is on a plan that supports commerce, that your country is supported by both platforms, and that your PayPal business account is fully set up and verified. Back on the payments screen, review any toggles or settings that appear for PayPal, then save your changes. From a shopper's perspective, PayPal will now appear at checkout alongside any other methods you've enabled. As a best practice, place a small test order using PayPal in a private browser window to confirm everything flows smoothly, then refund yourself from PayPal if needed. That's it. You've added PayPal to your Squarespace website and made checkout easier for customers.